Welcome to Fast Cabling, where we dive deep into tech solutions that make construction sites safer and more efficient. Today in this video, we're exploring the world of security cameras perfectly suited for the unique challenges of construction surveillance. From the rugged and reliable bullet cameras to the versatile and comprehensive coverage offered by PTZ cameras. And also, we are going to provide a solution for a construction site that is so remote and so challenging. And here we have a golden opportunity to transform your operations with the power of technology without any cost to you. Whether you're a small startup or a large corporation, our team is eager to help you achieve your goals. Just claim your free tag design through the link down in the description box below and take the first step toward a brighter and more efficient future. Now for construction site, we do recommend the bullet camera and a PTZ camera. Now bullet camera, with their long cylindrical shape, they're built to endure the harshest element, providing clear and high quality video no matter the weather, which is ideal for perimeter monitoring. And their focused view can cover long distances, keeping a watchful eye on all that passes. And this 8 megapixel PoE bullet camera with 2.8 to 12 millimeters motorized lens give you remote access to live and recorded images of any location. And it also provides excellent night vision up to 30 meters IR range and feature many advanced video analytic functions like person detection and vehicle detection for reliable security surveillance. On the other hand, our PTZ camera offers the ability to pan, tilt, and zoom, giving you comprehensive control over what you monitor and making them perfect for tracking movement across your sites. Now this one here has 5 megapixel high resolution to capture details in rational distance. Also equipped with 200 meters adaptive IR illuminator to generate 24/7 black and white clear images at long distance at night or under other challenging conditions. It also has waterproof IP66 rated and vandal-proof compact housing to against rain, dust, and corrosion. It has a wide temperature range from -35 degrees up to 55 degrees, which is ideal for outdoor uses and saving frequent maintenance. So in our journey so far, we've tackled the challenges of wiring and power head-on, introducing wireless bridges and solar power as our game-changing allies. But when you encounter a site that neither traditional methods nor our innovative solution can feed, what can we do? Now here's our situation. We have a remote location that is 450 meters away with no clear line of sight and no way to lay cable. But we need to install security cameras there to safeguard our project. Sounds like a tech nightmare, right? So here enters our back-to-back wireless bridge solution. So now we're looking at our setup. This is a remote area where we have to add the bullet camera for civilian use. We do have electricity here to power up our wireless bridge and the camera. However, it does not have a clear line of sight from the remote area to the control room, since our control room is all the way there around the corner. Therefore, we need to create a clear line of sight by using 2 pairs of the wireless bridges. Now we're going to use 1 pair from the control room to here, and then connect it to the other pair of wireless bridge and face it directly to our remote area. Now, remember, our control room and remote area has electricity to provide, but this side we don't. Therefore, we are using the solar power system. Now let's look at the components we have. Now this one here is our solar panel. Now it captures and converts the sunlight into electrical power. And down here we have the battery. This is the storage unit for the energy produced by the solar panel. Last but not least, the charge controller. Now it serves as the regulator of the system, ensure that the battery is charged correctly, safely, and prevent overcharging. First, I'm going to connect them all and power up our wireless bridges in between. Always plug in your battery first, and then the solar panel. Now we have the positive and the negative. Plug it in until you hear the click sound. This is the output power. I'm going to lead it all the way to our PoE distribution box. Now this box here is able to convert the solar power into passive PoE, so we can get a very clean and neat connection without all the messy cables. And since our bridges can be powered by the passive PoE, so they're working perfectly fine with only 2 cables here. And if you want to know how to set up the wireless bridge, you can watch our other videos, but now they are all configured and ready to display video footage. And here is facing our control room. Let's see. Here we go. We have the live video. I'm going to wave my hand so you can see this is absolutely a live video all the way from a remote corner. So by establishing a relay point between the 2 sets of wireless bridges, we created a new line of sight, ensuring data flows seamlessly over vast distance, even in the most remote area. So today's adventure into the back-to-back wireless bridge and solar power setup opens new horizons for construction site surveillance. And we've also traveled from the visible security presence of bullet camera to the sweeping PTZ camera. And remember, with the right technology, applied creatively, can overcome even the most daunting challenges. So no matter the distance, no matter the obstacles, we have the solution to keep you and your site secure. So join us next time for more tech innovations that push the boundaries of what's possible. And thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.